Welcome back to the channel, friends. It is great to see you. Thank you for hanging out with me tonight. I have an exciting video for you tonight. And before I tell you about those details real quick, I want to talk about learning. And one of the most important parts of learning is being able to take constructive criticism and your ability to absorb that information from that constructive criticism to turn around and make you a better person and a better educated in whatever thing that you're learning in your niche is critical of doing that. So tonight I am going to put it all on the line. I am going to go ahead and take some constructive criticism. I was fortunate enough during one of our masterminds to have the amazing Nick Jordan Anderson feature one of my videos, and he gave me some excellent advice. So I'm going to let you guys in on a little secret sauce. I'm going to get you guys a little sneaky peeky into one of our masterminds real quick on a quick clip that Nick gave me some amazing advice live. And I'm going to go ahead and apply that advice, and I'm going to take that advice that I have learned. We're going to go ahead and make some changes to something I've done in the past so I can go ahead and rank higher faster in the Google algorithm. Now, if this is something you'd like to do for yourself, this same exact principles apply to anything that you could be going ahead and trying to have a YouTube channel for. So go ahead and stick around for this and listen to some advice from somebody who has had over a decade of knowledge into this field and has an unbelievable track record with almost 3,100 million subscribers. Well, not quite yet, but soon. 300,000 subscribers. I guess you don't really need to be good at talking to be good at video. So go ahead, stick around, and let's get right into it.
An extra 30 minutes to hour per day to do this for the next year will completely transform your life, because you can rank this content on the first page of YouTube for specific keywords if you're new. And you do not need tens of thousands of views. So for example, if I go to, I'll just type in Bullrunners right here. And if I pull up, any one of these videos, right, I'll just go to the channel and I'll show you all these. And you guys are on this most days, right? 3,000 views, 4,000 views, 4,000 views, 5,000 views. Okay, this video, 13,000 views 3 days ago, 139 views per hour, right? You don't need 13,000 views, right? You don't need that many. If you get 100 views on a video, that's 100. Imagine 100 people in your house right now. That'd be overwhelming. Probably lock your bathrooms. You don't want them using your toilet, right? 100 people in your house. Imagine 500 people in your house. That's an event. That's an annual event for most companies, 500 people. This is a stadium. You don't need that, though. That's why I want to give you a vision of what you could build too, right? But if you could get an extra 10 views per day just starting out, and that's how this starts, right? So if I go to Top Tycoons, this is how this starts out. And so this channel right here started at 0 subscribers 2 weeks ago. And so 409 subscribers right now, 61 videos, right? It just started out. One video was uploaded 15 minutes ago. Alien built these things. I haven't even watched this yet. Elon Musk reveals the truth about the pyramids. That's going to be a viral video over time, right? This looks like the type of video that will get 50,000, 100,000 views, right? But right now, it's starting out. So it's 19 views, 8 views, 55 views, 390 views, 41 views, 28 views. This is what your channel is going to look like in the start. And so this is how the foundation is built. Be okay with this. This is part of the process. So we're gonna track this journey with you guys so you can check in on this channel in a week. We'll see where we're at right here. But these are all automated videos. Now, obviously, your thumbnails don't need to be this crazy, but if you guys want a solid thumbnail tutorial as well too, Mike Wright made an amazing one as well. I left it right here on step number G, creating video thumbnails using Canva as well. Go check him out. Give him a subscribe. Boom, we just subscribed to you, brother. And bam, hit the bell notification as well too. Give the video a like. Awesome video, brother. Boom. Okay, so great video, and the description, perfect. And so the video tags, awesome. Now, one key thing too, how to create effective thumbnails in Canva. Okay, so here, I'm gonna even dissect this for you, and I'm gonna see what's going here. How to create video thumbnails. Okay, so how to create thumbnails in Canva. Let's see what pops up. I'm just going to put thumbnails in Canva and see what's related to this. And so I'll show you how to tag this video live here too as well, how you do this. Okay, Canva tutorial. Okay, so you want this keyword somewhere in your title, right here. Look at the overall score, right? High overall score, 63 out of 100. Competition is somewhat medium, but it's in green, which means it's good. 327,000 search volume. So Canva tutorial So what I would do is I would have Canva tutorial somewhere in there in the video. So if I'm gonna go here and I'll just put this here, Canva tutorial, Canva tutorial, and then I would do the psychological based headline, because there's two things in your headline here. Okay, there's the keyword that someone's searching, and then there's the psychology to make someone click. Right, you want to have both. So the keyword that someone's searching is Canva tutorial. The psychology to get them to click would be game changing something. Hold on a second, let me go back here. Would be game changing Canva YouTube thumbnail strategy for beginners, something like that. Like the word game changing is put a powerful word. You can use synonyms too. So what I do even before my videos for the day is I will go on and I'll go back to the Bullrunners real quick to give you guys some examples for this. And you can apply this to more tutorial based stuff. Ours is kind of shock and awe sometimes too, because shock and awe works super well. A dire warning, right? Ripple XRP, wow, hey, that's powerful too. This is going to happen soon in the USA. What's going to happen soon? Curiosity, right? So you got to create curiosity somehow with some of your videos. Prepare now, emergency. Let me see here. Get out now, holy crap. Prepare tonight, emergency. Get ready. A lot of prepare nows. And some people will be like, you guys are clickbait saying to watch in 24 hours and prepare now. How are we doing that? Because you do need to prepare now. If you do not prepare now, you wasted another 24 hours of your life. Your time is important. So if I didn't say watch this in 24 hours, if I didn't say emergency, I would be wasting your time and you wouldn't have watched the video. So that's how you have to feel sometimes about this type of stuff, because if you feel like you're clickbaiting people a little bit, now you want to deliver on the information, and that's what we're striving to improve on. You know, I'm not perfect. I'm learning every single day. I'm striving to provide the best value possible to match the expectation of the thumbnail. So you guys don't necessarily need the most shock and awe for, you know, like a video like this is a perfect education-based one. And so how to make effective thumbnails with Canva. I think that's a great thumbnail. I actually like that. How to make effective thumbnails. The only thing that I would improve on this is just having the actual keyword that you want to rank for right at the beginning that gets a high search volume. So up on this, but Canva tutorial, and then you want to plug the rest of the title, how to create effective thumbnails in Canva. Boom. So just plug the keyword first, and then back here, Mike, this is what I would do for that right there. Canva tutorial, how to create effective thumbnails in Canva for beginners. Right? And so if you want to attract beginners, then they're not going to care about how many subscribers you have, right? For beginners is always a good keyword to attract, because those people always are needing more information, and they're the best to transition over to ready to buy. And so that's who it's for. Okay, awesome.
That was amazing advice, Nick. I super appreciate you doing that for me. I am going to go back into our back office, as you can see right here at my YouTube channel, and I'm going to go ahead and find that exact video. I'm going to go ahead and make these changes of adding the words Canva tutorial to the video to help it rank faster and higher. And I'm going to double check just to make sure, even though I'm pretty sure it's in there, that those information are in the video tags as well. So I can rank for the video tag along with having it in the description, along with having it into the title. So in my back office right here, I have the videos, and I'm going down, and then here it is. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And now we're going to go ahead and change the title. So I'm going to change the title to add in Canva tutorial. You don't even need to spell good to be good at videos. Canva tutorial. Now I'm going to go ahead and change that in the description as well. Bam, bam, just like that, folks. That was very nice and easy and quick. Now let's go ahead and scroll down, and we're going to double check the video tags. Canva tutorial is in the video tags, as I thought it was. Okay, now what I'm going to do temporarily is I'm going to save these changes. Changes have been saved, so that is also updated. And bam, just like that, that little tiny extra couple keywords can make all of the difference in the way that the algorithm searches for the video. So if you have a video, you can turn around and use these tools and this concepts to your particular videos, regardless of your niche right there. Make sure you can be able to search by your keywords, so that way you can add those keywords that you want to rank for in your title. Just like I learned today, I went back and did that on some of my past video, and that turned around and created new content, not only for us today to learn from, but also to get the maximum benefit out of the work that you have already done. So if this is something that benefits you, I appreciate it. Go ahead and give me a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the Bullrunners channel as well. And then after all of that, sit back, relax, and enjoy your evening. So it has been a great ride tonight. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And go ahead and catch me on the next one. You never, ever know what I'm going to do. That is the truth. Holla at your boy if you have any comments in the comments below. I have had a great time. You guys have a great evening, friends and family. I will see you soon. Stay tuned.